Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to Hive Tales. Today, we have a sweet and informative topic to discuss: the role of beeswax in beauty and household products. But before we dive into that, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below to join our buzzing community. Beeswax is truly a gift from nature, and it plays a vital role in many aspects of our lives, from personal care to household items. So, let's explore the incredible world of beeswax and how it can benefit you in more ways than you might have imagined. The natural beauty enhancer. Beeswax is a common ingredient in cosmetics like lip balms, lotions, and creams due to its natural moisturizing properties. It forms a protective barrier on your skin, helping to lock in moisture and keep it hydrated. Additionally, beeswax is known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it a great choice for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. But that's not all. Beeswax also contains vitamin A, which is essential for skin health. It promotes skin cell regeneration and can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. So, if you're looking for a natural way to enhance your beauty routine, products with beeswax should be on your list. Beeswax in household products. Now, let's shift our focus to how beeswax plays a crucial role in household items. Beeswax wraps are an eco-friendly alternative to plastic wraps. They are reusable and can help reduce single-use plastic waste in your kitchen. By using beeswax wraps, you not only protect the environment but also keep your food fresh for longer periods. Beeswax is also a key ingredient in making natural candles. Unlike paraffin candles, which release harmful chemicals when burned, beeswax candles produce a clean and natural scent while purifying the air. Lighting a beeswax candle can create a cozy and calming atmosphere in your home. And let's not forget furniture polish. Beeswax-based polishes can restore the luster of your wooden furniture, all while protecting and nourishing the wood. Whether it's your dining table or your favorite antique dresser, beeswax polish can breathe new life into your wooden treasures. How beeswax is harvested. Ever wondered how beeswax is harvested? It's a fascinating process that involves collaboration between humans and bees. Beekeepers carefully collect beeswax from beehives during routine inspections. The wax is then carefully removed and taken to be purified. Beekeeping is an art that requires skill and dedication, and it's crucial to ensure the well-being of the bee colonies throughout the process. Beeswax and sustainability. One of the most remarkable aspects of beeswax is its sustainability. Beeswax is a renewable resource, and responsible beekeeping practices ensure the well-being of bee colonies. Supporting products made with beeswax not only benefits your skin and home, but also promotes the preservation of these incredible pollinators. Bees play a crucial role in our ecosystem by pollinating plants and crops, which ultimately contributes to our food supply. By supporting sustainable beekeeping and beeswax products, you are indirectly supporting the health of our environment. DIY beeswax products. If you're feeling creative, you can even make your own beeswax-based products at home. For example, you can craft your own lip balm using beeswax, coconut oil, and essential oils. It's a fun and rewarding DIY project that also makes for a thoughtful gift. Another fantastic DIY project is making beeswax wraps. All you need is some cotton fabric and beeswax pellets. By making your own wraps, you can customize the sizes and patterns, adding a personal touch to your kitchen. The versatility of beeswax. Another remarkable thing about beeswax is its versatility. It's not just limited to skincare and household products. It has a wide range of applications. Artists use beeswax in an art technique known as encaustic painting. This ancient art form involves melting and layering beeswax mixed with pigments to create stunning works of art. The texture and depth achieved through encaustic painting are truly unique. Crafters also use beeswax for sealing envelopes and creating beautiful wax seals. If you enjoy sending handwritten letters or invitations, using beeswax seals adds a touch of elegance and nostalgia to your correspondence. Additionally, beeswax is used to condition and protect leather goods, such as shoes, bags, and belts. It helps maintain the leather's suppleness and prevents it from drying out or cracking. Final thoughts on beeswax. As we wrap up our discussion on the incredible role of beeswax in beauty and household products, I want to emphasize the importance of choosing products that contain this natural wonder. By doing so, not only do you enhance your own well-being, but you also support sustainable practices that help protect the environment and ensure the survival of our beloved bees. That's it for today's episode, folks. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please take a moment to like, share, and leave a comment below. And remember, if you're interested in learning about the incredible impact of honey on heart health, be sure to check out our video on that topic. Thank you for tuning into Hive Tales, and as always, stay buzzing with us. See you in the next video.